I got most of my filming done, and now I'm gonna see if I can catch a fish or two. It is chock full of skeeters in here. I don't know why I didn't really think about that. Next time I'm bringing the bug spray. Guess I'll start down here and then make my way that way. I had a pike on here a couple years ago and it bit me off because I had my ultralight, but I have a medium rod with a Ned rig on it. I'm bound to get it caught on some wood, so I brought a couple spinners with me. Oh, there goes some wood ducks. Okay. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, there's a largie. Shoot. He saw me. There's fish in here. That was a good sized one too. Okay. Ooh, oh, that was a fish. Guys, that was a fish. Hit on the Ned. Try that again. That was a good bite. Got him. It's a little one, but it's a little smallie. On the perfect perch Ned. Literally like half the size. Nice. Didn't even think I'd catch anything. That feels good. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go back up the shore. Without falling in, hopefully. Ooh. Come on. No. Don't you get stuck in the weeds. Yes. Of course he got one. Rock bass. Rock bass. Good. Okay, let's try that again. But I want a good sized smallie, but those are kind of hard to find around here. Oh geez, I am lodged into a thing of wood right there. Oh, there it is. Time for a spinner. This should be a little bit more effective. Just because it's not gonna sink and get stuck in the wood. And then if you guys wondering what knots I use, I literally just use the Palmer knot for everything. There's that. Okay. Let's see how this works. Hopefully I can cast it. If the fish hits this, it should hook on because it's got a treble hook on it. Oh, I can cast it. Okay, good. Ooh, there we go. There we go. That was an awesome hit. Rocky. Little Rocky. Okay. Okay. About the same size as the other one, but I saw that hit. That was cool. He's right up next to the bank. Just a little rock bass. Let him go, hopefully without splashing much. There we go.